good morning. Welcome to Cooking with Mimi. As you guys can see, I'm in my PJs because it's breakfast time. Today, I am going to make French toast with a twist. Stay tuned. So first, I'm going to start off by making my whipped cream. So here, I already have cold water and ice in a bowl, and I have a stainless steel bowl to put right inside because I want to keep my bowl cold for when I'm making the whipped cream, because you don't want it to deflate. You want to keep the whipped cream as cold as possible. So I'm gonna pour in my whipped cream. This is about half a cup. And then I'm gonna start whisking. Yes, you guys can use a beater, but I prefer to use a whisk. Use your arms, use that muscle. So I'm gonna tilt it and start whisking. Alright guys, my whipped cream is halfway there. I've been beating for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, a few tablespoons of sugar, we're going to do 3. And then I'm going to start whisking it up some more. Okay guys, so my whipped cream is now at soft peaks. So now I'm going to add some coconut vodka. About 1 tablespoon, you know. Then give it a little kick. This is obviously for grown folks. And just give it that one good last whipping. Alright guys, there you have it. Whipped cream. This is where you want it. So I'm going to set this aside for now and put it in the fridge. And, oh, look at that. Let me try it. So good. I'm going to put this in the fridge and get started with the French toast. Alright guys, so here I have my croissants. It's gonna be a croissant French toast. Oh, sorry guys. So I'm just gonna start by cutting them in half. I'm just gonna put them to the side, and I'm just gonna keep cutting croissants. So I'll be back when I have all that done. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off by cracking my eggs. I have 2 eggs here. And I like to take out I call it a booger, but that white part in the egg. And I just use my eggshells to take it out. Oh, right back in. All right, there we go. And then I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. 3 tablespoons of sugar. And here I have coconut milk. I'm going to use coconut milk. This is Haitian coconut milk. You can use any type of coconut milk you prefer. I prefer to use Haitian coconut milk. So I'm going to use about a cup of that. And then I'm just gonna start whisking away. Okay, so I almost forgot, guys, the cinnamon. I'm gonna sprinkle some cinnamon powder in there. You can use as much as you like, only using a teaspoon. And just whisk that in there. And now that's done. I'm going to turn on my heat or my pan up. I have some butter. You can use any type of butter, whatever butter you prefer. And then just gonna spread that out. Take my bread. Shake off the excess. Just lay it right on. I'm just gonna let this do its thing for about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side before I flip it. It's gonna cook for about. Alright guys, now I'm going to flip it. Oh, yes. Perfect. Nice and golden brown. That is exactly how you want it to come out. Beautiful. I'm gonna let that cook on the other side for about 45 seconds before I transfer it to my plate. Alright guys, this is about finished. So now I'm going to make some eggs. Sunny side up. So I'm going to put a little bit of butter. And I'm just gonna let that melt for a little bit. 1 egg. So I'm going to make 1 egg. Put your heat on low. And then I'm gonna cover it and let it steam and put it on low. And here I already have some sausage. I just fried it up a little bit. Flip it. I like my sausage, a little crispy. Alright guys, my eggs is finished. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and just put it onto my plate. There you guys. And then, oh wait guys, you know, I cannot forget the whipped cream. Remember that whipped cream we made earlier? And take my whipped cream, just put that right there. Alright guys, there you have it. French toast with a twist. It's like a coconut French toast because I use coconut milk instead of regular milk. And I'm going to have a great breakfast. How about you? Alright guys, look at that. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I had so much fun making this and I'm going to have fun eating it, okay? Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and let me know what I should make next. Peace, peace, peace. French toast and then French toast.